How to link Robinhood Gold Card to Credit Karma. Open the Credit Karma app or website and sign in to your account. Go to the Accounts section and choose the option to add or connect a financial account. Search for Robinhood in the list of available financial institutions. Select the Robinhood option that supports credit cards rather than investing only. Enter your Robinhood login details when Credit Karma asks for permission to connect. Complete any verification step, such as a security code sent to your phone or email. Wait briefly while Credit Karma syncs your account information. Check your accounts list to confirm the Robinhood Gold Card appears with a balance and credit limit. Refresh the app or sign out and back in if the card does not appear right away. Allow some time for the data to update since new cards can take a short while to show. Thank you for watching.